Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about the things that hurt a woman. Guys, ladies, gentlemen, you should know the things that hurt a woman. Yes, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe. There is this red button down below. Click on it. It says subscribe. Click on it once, and then you'll see a notifications bell, a bell. Click on it once too. Every time I post a video, you will get notified. So without further ado, let me tell you those things that hurt a woman. Number one, are you this kind of man, this kind of husband who listens to other women, other people's advice, trying to impress them and then ignore her advice? Does she give you advice and you undermine it until one day someone else tells you about it, then you pick it up as important? Does it mean you disregard her? Does it mean you take her to be less sensible? That is one of the things that hurt a woman. Number two, are you a husband who carries yourself out in public as if you are single and you're not married? Does it mean you are not proud to have her as yours? It is hurting her. It hurts a woman when you walk around pretending to be single, yet you are married to her. Number three, it hurts a woman, it hurts a wife when the husband rather watches pornography and touches himself other than making love to her. It hurts a woman if you distance yourself sexually from her. Number four, it hurts a woman when the husband defends the privacy of his phone with his life. He vehemently defends the privacy of his phone, protects his phone more than he even protects his marriage. It hurts a woman. It leaves room for suspicion and growth of mistrust between the couple. The woman stops trusting you. She knows you are hiding something. Number six, it hurts a woman when the husband rather confides in other women out there, confides in other people, maybe his family or friends, and trusts them with his biggest secrets and not his wife. It hurts a woman to hear something from outside about his husband and the husband never talked to her about it. It really hurts a woman. Number seven, it really badly hurts a woman when she tries her level best to be a good wife, cook for him, clean after him, pray for him, stay sexy for him, try her best to impress him, but he shows no effort on the same. He doesn't even recognize or thank her for what she's doing. It hurts a woman to put a lot of effort in showing that she loves the man, and the man doesn't give the same effort back. It hurts a woman. Number eight, it hurts a woman when the man allows his mother to bully her wife, to bully her, to disrespect her, micromanage their home when the man is just there looking. It badly hurts a woman. Number nine, it badly hurts a woman when the husband uses the secrets that she confided in him, that she told him, that she entrusted to him, and then he in turn uses them to mock her, abuse her, attack her, put her down, shout at her. It badly, greatly hurts a woman. A man who uses the woman's secrets to insult the woman, to mock the woman really hurts the woman. Number 10, it really hurts a woman when the man expects her to do everything in her power to support his dreams, to leave everything behind, to follow his dreams, and yet he, the man, has never done anything or taken initiative to find out about his wife's dreams and support them as well. It hurts a woman to give and not receive at all. Number 11, it hurts a woman when the husband mistreats her, puts her down, disrespects her, but then expects great sex from her all the time. Like, you give bad, but you expect good, better, great, and best from someone you give bad. Number 12, it really hurts a woman when she has to beg for her husband's attention. She is reduced to competing with the world, with the husband's friends, with other women for her husband's attention. It really badly affects and hurts a woman. Number 13, it badly and greatly hurts a woman when the husband continues to flirt with other women, stare at other women's bodies, admire them, compliment them, but barely notices her beauty and her body. It really hurts a woman. All the husband sees on her are flaws, how her feet are crooked, how her stomach is big. Only the negative things are what he always talks about her, never compliments anything on her. It really hurts a woman. Number 14, listen. It really hurts a woman when the husband who promised her a happily ever after, in day, in sickness and in health, in poverty and in wealth, who promised to be with her, to grow old together, to be with her and love her until the end of time, is the same person breaking their home. It really hurts a woman. Number 15, it hurts a woman when the husband is a workaholic, focuses on work, puts work first before her, doesn't regard her as a human being, all the time work, never time for her, never time for the home, and never time for the marriage. It badly hurts a woman. I hope you've learned something. You know, these things that I've said hurt a woman are the same things that are going to make her leave you, are the same things that are going to grow and grow in her heart. The heart will become a wound. It will grow and grow until she can't handle it any longer, and she will leave you. If you have ears, you listen and you hear. These things that hurt a woman are serious issues. They are the things that are breaking homes. Be very careful. You are forewarned and you are foretold. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. Do not forget to follow my handles. Facebook is @Nora82. Instagram is @Iam_Nora. Twitter is @Nora Charimba. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Ciao.